Today I want to talk about an email that a lot of influencers get, which is random pitches to join other random platforms. And I got an email recently from a company called Glambassador, and it wasn't a good cold email. So in today's video, I want to run through that cold email, tear it down, see where we can improve it, and try to find the ultimate way to pitch influencers. Let's jump into it. So here's the email. Let's take it over to Google Docs so we can tear it apart and build it back up into its finest form. Subject line's inquiry. Look at this block of text. I feel like it's the end of the Indiana Jones movie, and this is the Ark of the Covenant. And my face is melting like, ah! Ah! Look at this block of text. Ah! So, inquiry, hi there. My name is Janet and I work at Glambassador as a marketing rep. I came across your website and feel like you'd be the perfect candidate to join our platform. Glambassador is the revolutionary influencer marketing platform. Want to know more? No. Where I would stop reading is right here. Hi there. You don't know my name? You're reaching out to influencers, right? This is the type of platform where, let's say you get 15 key people, you can drive everyone else to your platform. And you know this because you're selling influencer marketing.
Influencer marketing.
I clicked this YouTube video, did not know it was a YouTube video. Just clicked a random link and it just started auto-playing.
Most of the time, you get to see people are online looking at their phones and interacting on different social...
And I still don't know what you do. If you're gonna link to a video, at least explain what's going on in the first couple seconds. So let me go over to glambassador.co. We'll figure out what exactly they do so we can write this email. Influencer marketing agency. Okay, so you're an influencer marketing agency. We have a couple clients like this, people on Instagram that have over 1 million followers. So I feel a little qualified to write this pitch. So let's actually write it. How would you actually get huge influencers to use Glambassador? Subject, brand deals. Let's use somebody as an example. I always use myself as an example. I'm gonna use somebody else. Let's use somebody big. Like I'm an Instagram guy in my heart, so I love King Bach. Let's use King Bach as an example, all right? 15.9 million followers. How would we sell to this man? I would actually probably say huge fan. Hey, King Bach. I don't know if you call him King or you call him Bach or you call him Botch. Is it King Botch? Somebody who's under 19 years old, reply to me in the comments. Tell me, is it King Botch? I'll look it up, all right? How to pronounce King Botch. Is it King Bach? Is it pronounced Bach or Bash? And then he says, it's pronounced Batch. King Batch. There we go, research complete. And I'm gonna call him King Batch, all right? Hey, King Batch, huge fan, loved you in the guy that's in movies now. What movie is he in? Oh, his name's actually Andrew Batchelor. I'm gonna call him Andrew. Hey Andrew, loved you in The Babysitter, customized, and you change that per influencer. But if you're going after influencers that have an audience, they know what influencer marketing is already, especially if they have over 1 million people, which is who you should be targeting because you could target literally anybody. So why not go after the ones with money and ones that will actually be able to be sold to brands. The other issue this email is running into is you can learn more about the platform here for brands or for influencers. Is this email to a brand or is this to an influencer? Because they're two completely different emails. If you're emailing Canon about your amazing list of influencers that they could buy ad space with, that's one pitch. If you're emailing King Batch, you're killing me with your name, Batch. Is that why it's Batch? Like Anyway, it's two different emails. So this is for influencers. Loved you in The Babysitter, and then customize it. You can spend 20 minutes customizing this email because if you get King Batch on your platform, now you can get everyone under him. You can use that as a case study. So it's worth customizing every single one of these emails that goes out. And what I'm looking for is something that could be used as an ad. Here, I wanna be like her when I grow up. Nike. Hey Andrew. Or should I call you King? Saw a post recently you did with I Am So Sunny, what's her name? She only has 18,000 followers. I Am So Sunny, where she's decked out in Nike and you aren't branded at all. We've done brand deals with companies like Canon, Virgin Mobile, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I would just limit this, Canon, Virgin Mobile, OZ Naturals. So I would just go with ones that make sense here. Canon, Virgin Mobile, Hans de Foucault. And if this is specific, if I knew more about Glambassador, I would say, if you work with Nike, say that. If you work with Under Armour, say that. Any sportswear. because you're pitching for this specific thing. Saw a post you did with I'm So Sunny where she's decked out in Nike and you aren't branded at all. We've done brand deals with companies like Canon, Virgin Mobile, Hans DeFuco, and I would love to pitch your content to them. Mind if I sent over some content to them and negotiate brand deals? Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Jeanette. That's it. Hi Andrew, or should I call you King? Huge fan, and normally I wouldn't put a question up here, but this is a rhetorical question. But otherwise, normally I wouldn't put a question mark here. Hey Andrew, or should I call you King? Huge fan, love doing the babysitter. Saw a post you did recently with I'm So Sunny where she's decked out in Nike and you aren't branded at all. We've done brand deals with companies like Canon, Virgin Mobile, and Hans DeFuco, and I would love to pitch your content to them and negotiate brand deals. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Jeanette. Simple. Then when you're on the call, take it one by one. If King Botch works for you and you have Canon, it shouldn't be too hard to hook those two together and make money. If you want the exact contract we use to close new business, it cost us about $1,000 to put together. You can have that for free. That's in the description down below. And if you really want to help this YouTube channel, I would love if you could think of one person who would get value from this specific video and send it to them. Also, if you run an agency and you want help getting more enterprise level clients, you want to take your business to the next level, check out experiment27.com. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks.